Hi, welcome to TeckWrap Craft channel. I'm Glory, and in today's video I am going to be sharing with you how to make these two bookmarks using TeckWrap craft materials. These are the materials that we're going to be using. We're going to be using this TeckWrap craft glossy adhesive vinyl in the color Millennial Pink. You can see it right here. And it's important that you know that this adhesive vinyl have 29 options of colors to choose from. We are also going to be using these two satin metallic adhesive vinyls. This one is in the color lime green and this one is in the color gold passion. This type of adhesive vinyl has 17 colors to choose from. And the last adhesive vinyl that we're going to be using is this texture metallic adhesive vinyl in the color champagne gold. This type of adhesive vinyl has 5 colors to choose from. At this point, if you have seen other videos of TeckWrap craft, you will know that the adhesive vinyls of this brand are super durable and they can be used for different projects. If you want to learn more about the type of adhesive vinyl that TeckWrap have, you can go to their website and see all the options and the information about this craft vinyl. We're going to be using the TeckWrap transfer tape, the TeckWrap weeding pen, and the TeckWrap squeegee. And we're going to be using our acrylic bookmarks blanks, also from TeckWrap craft. These ones are the ones that have the cloud, but you can find also ones that have a flower. With anything else to say, let's get started. First, we're going to be measuring the bookmark so we know the size, and also you can go to TeckWrap website and find the size of the bookmark. I'm here on Silet Studio and I have uploaded already both of the designs that I'm going to be using for this project. I have this design over here that is the one that I'm going to be using with the green and gold color, and this is the one that I'm going to be using with the pink and the texture gold. Now, I'm going to start with this one over here. I'm going to ungroup them so I have all the parts separated. I'm going to group all the designs that goes together. This one is going to be the green one, so I'm going to change the color over here, and these two are going to be the gold one. Now I'm going to size the design to the size of my bookmark. Now I will do the same process with the other design. Now let's separate the layers so we can send to cut. I'm going to be working first with the one that is going to be green and gold, and then I'm going to work with the one that is going to be gold and pink. This time I will use the cutting settings that TeckWrap recommends on their website. For the satin metallic adhesive vinyl, the Cameo 4 settings are blade 3, speed 4, and pressure 20. Now I'm going to cut both of my adhesive vinyls and place it on the cutting. Now let's send to cut. Before I send to cut, as TeckWrap recommends, I'm going to do a test cut to see if these settings are compatible with my machine. The machine cuts the test tape, and now I'm going to check if it's compatible or not. And as you can see, it cuts really well, so the settings are correct. Now let's do the same steps with these other two colors. It's important that you look on this side of every vinyl that you purchase from TeckWrap because some of them have this sticker that says remove the protective layer. That means that this adhesive vinyl has a protective layer that we have to remove before we start cutting. We're going to be doing the cut apart because they have different settings. Let's remove the protective film. Now let's place the adhesive vinyl on the cutting mat and send to cut. Once the last piece of vinyl is done, I'm going to take it out of the cutting mat. And now we proceed to the weeding process for both of our vinyls. This vinyl is a little bit thicker, so you have to make more pressure when you're doing the weeding so the pieces come out. Now I'm going to be placing both of the designs on top of my acrylic bookmark. It's important that you remove the plastic film that is protecting the acrylic bookmark so you can paste the design on top of it. I'm going to be using TeckWrap transfer tape, and I'm going to be taking this one first. Now let's place the design really carefully. and remove the transfer tape. Now, I'm going to remove the plastic film that is on the back of our bookmark. Now, let's do the other one. And here's how it looks like. And here's the final result of our beautiful bookmarks. Leave a comment if you like today's project. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know every time we post a new video. See you on the next one. Bye!